You ready to open your gifts, your birthday gift?
Yes. First thing I want to say thanks to you because you came from Jersey to New York. So I guess you've been driving for so long.
I'm tired.
I know, and we're not done yet. So thank you, babe. Fait que sorti nan bala avec classe, and I guess you would have vu toi soir pour même. So it was a long day. It's 3 a.m. in the morning.
It's 4:20.
4:20. Yeah. So this septembre c'était fête mais m'a rencontré ensemble avec coucher and you bring me my gift. So thank you. I love you. You know that already. So.
Open the baby.
Oh my God! Let it go out. I so want to see what's in it. Really? We start bullshit with that shit.
Stop it.
Wow. Versace on the bed. Wow. Versace on the bed.
Stop it.
Why? Jesus. Wow. So, are we going out so I can wear it?
Yeah.
Oh, this is really nice. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, babe. So, wow. Louboutin.
Christian, the button. That's the baby. Ça n'a pas venu encore. Il n'y a pas même fait encore limité d'édition. Il n'y a pas gagné encore. So take so gain ou to gain. C'est limité d'édition. Par contre, côté sous site là, je ne sais si on gagne livre vendre. C'est cela ici que c'est de là.
Wow.
Limité d'édition.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
C'est le gain.
Ele camba hoje?
Yes. On est
Wow.
gain.
Thank you, my love.
C'est cela qui ça ici que ça.
Sounds good.
Limited edition. Pas
Sounds
gain sur
good.
site là, pas gain online, pas gain nulle part.
Jesus.
Personne ne va gagner ça.
Ooh, this is it.
That's the baby.
Ooh, that's the wave. Damn. I love it.
It's beautiful. It's a masterpiece.
Oh, I think they.
It's seulement volant ici, ou bien de ça.
This is oof. I don't want to talk of it for real. Did you?
Happy birthday.
Gracias, my love.